This is the corner floating desk. So I built this because a lot of people are working from home now, and a lot of people need a desk. And it might, I'm not a tax guy, but it might be a tax write-off if you're staying at home and working, right?
Ooh.
I don't know. Anyways, check it out. So I got the infinity pool here. And the reason why I did that is because the top of this is wood and it's rough. And I thought, you need a spot where you can write with a pen. So,
Flat surface.
yeah, it's a flat surface and it looks cool. And check it out, it's got a lot of hidden compartments. First of all, it's got a wand in there because of reasons. So, that's cool. And then you've got one drawer here, so it's got a little handle underneath. You can just grab it and pull it. One there, and then you've got one here. You got a key here, so you got a hidden compartment behind here. There's one there, and then there's also one over here. Oops. Little skeleton key. I found that in the middle of the street, walking down the road in, I believe, Toledo, Spain. So it's a cool key, and I finally made a use for it. So, yeah, it's cool. And then right here, you got your quill with a pen, so you can write. I was gonna put a full feather in there, but I was like, yeah, it's a little dirty. Feathers are hard to manage, right? I don't know. And then with this has to open something, right? So, right here, and you gotta let the magnet sort of find its spot. Oh, there it is. So you got a big old hidden compartment right there. It's quite large, actually.
It's huge.
Yeah, and then there's another one over here on this side. So, hidden compartments. And then on top, because it is an office desk, I've got 4 plugs and 4 USBs, and then a hole that you can shove your cords down to your computer below. Yeah, so pretty cool. And it just floats in the corner of a room or whatnot. So,
A floating disc.
what do you think? Cool?